Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to do an iPhone 6 repair. Okay everyone, first step is to turn the phone off. Remember, the iPhone 6 power button is on the side, unlike the other iPhone 5 and 5S that has it on the top. Then you would open the screws from the bottom. Be very careful as this is a new phone, but it's a simple process the same way we would open up the iPhone 5 and 5S. Now take the prying tool, slide it very slowly, take a suction cup, attach it to the screen, slide the opening tool very slowly underneath the screen. Pry it around the corners for a smooth removal of the screen. Lift the screen up. Now there are 4 screws attaching the digitizer and the screen to the main motherboard. Now use the opening tool to lift open the metal plate. After removing the screws, slowly lift up the metal plate. You would see 4 cables attached to the motherboard. Slowly lift them up with the opening tool. Now you would see you have LCD assembly in one hand and the rest of the phone in the other hand. Now we will remove the 3 screws on the back to remove the ear speaker. Now lift up the metal plate, remove the camera cable on the side, and you will see the speaker assembly. Now we will remove the 2 screws on the back to lift up the metal plate to detach the home button. Now we will remove the 7 screws on the side of the screen to lift up the big metal plate. After removing the screws, slowly lift up the metal plate from the top. You would need to be careful because the fingerprint sensor cable leads all the way to the top. Now you would notice a very small cable that is attaching the fingerprint sensor. Slowly detach that. Slowly remove the home button. Follow it along the surface to completely remove it from the assembly. Slowly remove the home button. Follow it along the surface to completely remove it from the assembly. Now remove the front camera and the proxy sensor from the screen. Now remove the front camera and the proxy sensor from the screen. Here is the complete guide to replace the front screen on iPhone 6. Please do not forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and our website for repairs, repair parts, and accessories for all cell phones, laptops, tablets, and game consoles.